Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits where we make it easy for you to be creative. If we haven't met before, hello, I'm Moira Fuller, I'm the founder of Craftiosity and I've been teaching creative workshops for years, including for Anthropology, the National Trust and Kirsty Allsop's Handmade Fair. This month we're taking inspiration from golden sunshine and the way that it can really change how you see things, that lovely morning or evening light that can catch objects and just make them glow. Are you curious about what we're going to be making? Let's show you this month's kit. For this project we're using copper leaf foil to decorate a ceramic leaf dish. You might have heard of gold leaf before, used to gilt furniture or picture frames. We're using a metallic leaf with a bright copper colour and love the effect it has with the white matte texture of the leaf-shaped dish. We'll show you step by step how to prepare your dish, apply the adhesive, then apply and finish the copper foil. As always, there's step-by-step photo instructions inside your box and a video tutorial if you prefer to learn by watching someone else making the project. Your kit includes everything you need for the project with a ceramic leaf dish, metallic copper leaf, adhesive and brush. And you have 25 sheets of the copper leaf and you'll only need 1 or 2 for the project. So there's plenty spare if you'd like to try your hand at gilting furniture or other objects as well. So that's what we're making this month, so shiny. If you've any questions about the process, the kit or wider questions about Craftiosity, just pop them below. We've just opened the doors for new subscribers, so if you'd like to join us for this kit and to have a brand new modern craft kit landing on your doorstep each month, just follow the link below. There's more information on our website. This is a limited edition craft kit and last orders are this Tuesday 30th of April, so don't wait too long if you're tempted. If you'd like to join us, just click on the link to learn more.